Welcome back to GED Advanced Geometry. This is session 2, and today we study perimeter. Take a slow breath and let's build it together step by step. Perimeter is simply the total distance around the outside of a flat figure. It shows up all the time on the GED. Fencing a yard, framing a picture, adding trim, or finding a missing side. By the end, you will handle every one of these with confidence. Let's start with the idea itself. Perimeter is the total length all the way around the outside of a figure. Picture tracing the edge with your finger from corner to corner until you return to where you started. Because you are measuring a single distance, perimeter is one-dimensional. That means the answer is always in plain linear units, like feet, inches, or meters, never square units. Here are the tools. For any polygon, perimeter is just the sum of all the side lengths. For a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, so we can use 2L plus 2W. For a square, all four sides match, so it is 4 times the side, 4S. And for a regular polygon, where every side is equal, multiply the number of sides by the side length. Choose the shortcut that fits the shape. Let's work a full example, slowly. A rectangular garden is 18 feet long and 7 feet wide, and we want to fence all 4 sides. Step 1. Recognize the shape, a rectangle. Step 2. Choose the formula, 2L plus 2W. Step 3. Substitute, 2 times 18 plus 2 times 7. Step 4. Calculate. 36 plus 14 is 50. So the garden needs 50 feet of fencing. Notice the answer is in feet because perimeter is linear. Sometimes the GED gives you the total perimeter and asks for a missing side. The trick is to work backward. Subtract the sides you know from the total. For example, a triangle has a perimeter of 40 centimeters. 2 of its sides are 13 and 9. To find the third side, subtract 40 minus 13 minus 9. That leaves 18. So the missing side is 18 centimeters. The same backward thinking works with formulas. Suppose a square has a perimeter of 64 meters and we want one side. For a square, perimeter is 4s, so we undo the multiplication by dividing. 64 divided by 4 is 16. Each side is 16 meters. Whenever a formula is multiplied, you can divide to work your way back to the missing number. Many GED perimeter questions add a cost step at the end. First find the perimeter, then multiply by the price per unit. Say a yard needs 50 feet of fencing, and fencing costs $3 per foot. 50 times 3 is 150, so the total cost is $150. Always find the boundary length first and multiply by cost only at the very end. Before we finish, let's dodge the 3 most common perimeter traps. First, do not multiply length by width when the question asks for fencing. That gives area, not perimeter. Second, do not forget a side on an irregular shape. Count every outside edge. Third, do not include inside dashed guidelines. Perimeter only follows the true outside boundary. Small care here protects easy points. Excellent work today. You can now add up sides, use the rectangle and square shortcuts, find a missing side from the total, and add a cost step. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, write it out this way. Given information, then formula, then substitution, then the answer with units. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED geometry questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in the next session where we measure area. Keep going, you are doing great.